world according to Ron.
Okay.
So, what's all these things out here?
Well, millions of years ago, before the Sierras were here, this was the ocean. And
right before you were born?
Yes. And as the Earth raised up.
So to shorten up the story, these are called Pinnacles.
And that's what they left us. This beautiful land.
Way back when.
You take your NyQuil, you mix your red and your green. All is good.
Dodging daggers at almost reach, making mistakes they can never teach. But these silver clouds won't dissolve to black. Let's lose our feet to a leap of faith, and bigger skies are lying in wait. It's a long way down, but I got your back. We're out on the edge.
Episode of The World According to Ron. Ron, take it away, will you? Where are we at?
I think we're called Schmidts Tunnel, Schmidts Mine. Now the house we passed down below is where they lived. And 30, 40 years from one side of the mountain to the other. He passed away. The wife still continued to live there. And people, like our friend Randy, when they came up, they would bring food. Then she flashlights and a little explanation about their lives and about the mine until she passed away. And now, are you ready to free fall? Ready to free fall? Yeah.
What's the story with this area, Uncle Ron?
Up here, the ancient Indians would kill their prey and skin them, and they would be doing the camp as the animals would follow the stream and the water. And up to the left, petroglyphs. So this is someplace you can only get with off-road vehicles. Very fortunate that we're able to see these great ancient sites.
Yeah, it's a good thing we have that CanAm Maverick X3DS and this Polaris XP, and these awesome rugged radios, huh? So that we can communicate while we're doing this trip.
And of course, the CanAm comes with endless Budweiser.
Yeah, it sure does. Anyway. All right, well, let's get back on the road here. You want to lead or you want to follow?
Here I go.
All right, off you go.
If I get lost.
Yeah, this off-road X program works awesome. This is pretty cool. And the Bad Elf, this Bad Elf GPS is probably the best one I've seen. What do you think?
This is the best.
Feel the pull of an open thread, unravel life till there's nothing left. It's a long way down, but I got you now. We're right on the edge of it all.
Not sure exactly what this is, but
The World According to Ron.
I'm sure that somebody will know. So let's talk to The World According to Ron. Ron, tell us where we are.
Well, we're in ancient caverns. And this is back, which you've probably seen many programs of ancient alien civilizations. And this is probably one of them.
Is that one of the aliens there?
Well, that's an alien.
He looks like an alien. What is that? Wow, I didn't know they were still here.
They're still here. So we're going to have lunch where the ancients have eaten.
Well, we did that at camp with you. Hey, there it is.
Yeah.
I'm going to see all the nests, huh?
This is Natalie. Okay, here we go. It's an adventure.
Okay, as I said in my earlier video, this is an undersea ocean before the Sierras lifted up with all the volcanoes. And these are the great ancestors of the of the monster fish. So I'm just saying we need to see it while we can see it.
All right, well, let's see. Let's get up closer. Let's get a closer look at the petrified, fossilized fish here.
Are you ready to free fall? Ready to free fall? We're right on the edge of it all. Are you ready to free fall? Ready to free fall? Yeah.
Now, so what happened wrong? What's going on here? It looks like the wheels are supposed to be facing down instead of sideways.
So what happened is well, it was aliens.
Yeah.
That's all I can tell you. It was aliens. A flying saucer came down, attacked them.
Yeah, that happens. Well,
Keep going, gentle, gentle. One more. What? Yes, here it goes. No, one more. Let get you. Awesome job.
he built fire. He did fire. Burning Man. Ron's day in a life. At the end of the day, normally we do it during the day. So why don't you like recap today's events?
Well, we came out here.
That's a plus.
We saw. We conquered.
We
We survived. Even though the aliens almost got us, we saved Xander. Because I think. Yeah.
Xander, glad you're still here.
No thanks to Dad's bad driving.
There's a real chalk.
I don't think he's gonna wake up in the morning.
Yeah.